Johnson Products is a company that's been around for over 54 years. It was a leader and innovator in this industry. It has a legacy that consumers still resonate with today.
People have used the product for a very long time, and so they're comfortable with the product itself.
They know Ultra Sheen, they know Gentle Treatment, and now the brand has been energized, okay? It has a new team, it has a new vision.
And that's what fueled the decision for us to acquire Johnson Products. We see so many opportunities out there for us and our consumer. You know, the demands and pressure that the big box retailers put on Johnson Products is to, even though we're a small company, they want us to operate just like a big company.
I'm very excited to have SAP as our software business management system. I find that the data that is provided gives me an advantage to understand where those unturned stones are.
I've always believed that a system is supposed to provide you with a competitive advantage. The information that you use should create a competitive advantage for you and your partners. We acquired the business from a Proctor Gamble, and because of contractual terms, we had no choice but to implement, get up and going, and actually be operating within 30 days. At the same time, I'm building infrastructure. I have to bring people in. I'm hiring new people. I'm hiring new customer service people. They have to be able to get in, get to that system, know that system, and operate as if they've been on that system for 5 years within 5 days.
SAP had a failure is not an option attitude, and that was great because we had such a short timeline for implementation.
SAP had the appearance to me to be, number one, out of our budget, and too large scale for a startup company like Johnson Products. How surprised I was that not only did they have a solution that fit the scale of a Johnson Products, but they also had a solution that met the budget.
We noticed that the other companies, everything was module driven, additional prices for additional software. And with SAP, it was all encompassed into one application. You know, there was no extra modules needed.
Very unique situation, and I'm very pleased to tell you that SAP really lived up to its credentials in making all of that happen.
One great feature about SAP Business ByDesign is the reports. The reports are found in every single work center, and they're customizable for every user.
Information is power, and this will give us the power to be more competitive in the marketplace because we'll have the information to know what the opportunities are.
And that's where the accuracy of your system and the flexibility of your system to be able to dig down through and to understand what that profit number really means. We're in a real-time society, and I'm in a real-time business in terms of what my customers are asking for. But I'm also in a real-time business in terms of understanding what I need to do to adjust.
I can immediately respond back to Johnson Products and say, hey, this is what's going on at shelf level. Maybe we need to move and do something else. And I can get that information back to Johnson Products and they can react on it.
So if I can put together the information and put together the plans to be competitive on multiple places outside of the United States, then we'll reach our capabilities.